Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you another update. This is the 1975 Ford Gran Torino. In an earlier video, we had the body was on the chassis or on the frame. If you recall, it still had the rad support, the front fenders, and the doors on. So there's been a lot of progress since the last video. We've removed the fenders, rad support, undid all the bolts that fasten the body to the frame, removed the doors, and then we use this handy crane to lift it up, and we have it on axle stands. So lots of progress on it. So it's quite a solid car. We've been doing some fabrication work. We won't get into too much here, just more of our customer lives far away. So the floors are quite solid. The rocker panels we talked about, we're going to be replacing those. And then we had some rusted out locations, which is really common. So the front fender that gets bolted on and kind of wraps into here, it was all corroded heavily and kind of like a Swiss cheese rust all the way along there. And then basically there was a section here of the outer rocker panel that was rusted away, and then all of the back side of this rocker, which they would refer to as the inner rocker panel, it was all rotted in behind. So that's all been cut out, so all the rotten stuff is gone. We've made these new patches and then welded them all in, so the whole back side is all redone, and I think you can see all the spot welds here going all the way across the rocker, and it goes right from front to back. So the inner, where it meets the floor, is all new, and then we have this outer piece which is new, and then all of this section here. So you can see where once again they've cut out the double piece, made new patch for it, welded it in, and then even that front pocket, the old piece that was rotted through is gone, and the new metal's put in place. So quite a bit of progress there. It never looks like much when you show the the work of this section here, but there's quite a bit of work that's taken place. And then we're going to do the same thing on the passenger side. The corrosion isn't quite as far, but we still do have some corrosion. Well, you can see along here, hopefully it shows up in the camera. So we have it marked where we're going to cut it out. You can see there's all this rust here. So hopefully that shows up. So it's all rotted through. Same thing where it curls over. It's all rusted and rotted. So we're going to cut all that out. You can see up here where the double panels meet, you can see there's some corrosion here too. So we want to deal with all of that. The underside is just as rotten as it was in the driver's side. And you can see, I don't think you'll be able to tell in the video, but this is a thicker metal that we use for the rocker panels. So the guys have just started with the new replacement piece that's going to be on the back side. And then once they finish making a pattern with that on the back side of it, then we'll reconstruct the same thing as we did on the driver's side. So once we have that done, we'll share with you another update of all the fabrication. So this is the 1975 Ford Gran Torino. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.